Hello students, now we are going to discuss about sources and classification of air pollutant. What is air pollution? It is defined as the presence of unwanted and undesirable foreign particles and gases in the air which may have adverse effect on human being, animal, plant, vegetation and important structure. What is pollutant? Any substance present in the environment in a harmful concentration. Each substance having some tolerance level. Beyond the tolerance level, it goes to harmful concentration condition, which adversely alter the environment by damaging the growth rate of a species and by interfering with the food chain, is toxic and affect the health, comfort and property, etc. This is considered as a pollutant. Classification of air pollutant. Air pollutant based on the origin classified into primary air pollutant and secondary air pollutant. Based on state of matter, it is classified gaseous air pollutant and particulate air pollutant. Based on presence in the environment, so it is classified into two types. One is indoor air pollutant, another one outdoor air pollutant. One by one we will discuss. According to origin, so it is divided into two types. One is primary pollutant, another one secondary pollutant. What are the primary pollutant? It is directly emitted from identifiable source. These pollutants are emitted directly to the atmosphere. Examples of primary pollutant: PM, particulate matter, oxide of sulfur, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, radioactive compounds. Radioactive compounds from nuclear power plant. Secondary air pollutant. Secondary air pollutant are those which are produced in the air by the reaction of two or more primary pollutant. This is derived from primary pollutant. Example: ozone, formaldehyde, photochemical smog. This is serious problem in a society. Photochemical smog accident. Peroxyacetylene nitrate, there is PAN. These are the examples of secondary air pollutant. Classification based on state of matter. It is classified into two types. One is gaseous air pollutant, another one particulate air pollutant. First one, gaseous air pollutant. Gaseous air pollutant are those air pollutant which are found in the gaseous state at normal temperature and pressure in the atmosphere. Temperature is a 0 degree Celsius, pressure is a 1 atmosphere. This is normal temperature and pressure. That is called NTP condition. NTP condition followed in India. So in USA they are followed STP condition, standard temperature and pressure. This is different, temperature and pressure, whereas India normal temperature and pressure 0 degree Celsius. So pressure is a 1 atmosphere. Most common gases air pollutant: carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxide, hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon, methane, ethane, etc. Second one, particulate air pollutant. These may be liquid or solid. Particulate matter are identified as aggregate which are larger than 0.002 microns but is smaller than 500 microns. You take dust, this range 1 to 10,000 micron. Small solid particle from large mass through some process such as crushing, grinding or blasting. Next one, smoke. This is a range 0.5 to 1 micron. It consists of finely divided solid particle produced by incomplete combustion of organic particles such as coal, wood or tobacco. What is the incomplete combustion? Carbon react with oxygen produce carbon dioxide. This is a complete combustion. Whereas incomplete combustion, carbon react with oxygen produce carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a intermediate product. This is a incomplete combustion. Next one is a mist. The range of mist 0.1 to 10 micrometer. These are liquid particle formed by condensation of vapor. Condensation is nothing but phase change operation. Phase change from vapor to liquid. Next, fog 1 to 40 microns. This is high concentration of mist called as a fog. Dispersion of liquid particles in air. Fumes 0.03 to 0.3 micron. This is fine solid particle formed by the condensation of vapors of solid material. The fumes are generally emitted from melting operations. Ash 1 to 1000 micron, fine non-combustible particles. This is known as fly ash. Most of the industrial operation, the fly ash is the fly ash produced. This is non-combustible particles. Spray 10 to 1000 micron, liquid particles formed by automation. Classification based on presence in environment. This is classified into two types. One is indoor air pollutant, another one outdoor air pollutant. First one, indoor air pollutant. These air pollutant generated from household. This is indoor air pollutant. Cleaning agent, mosquito repellent, pesticide, cigarette smoke, gases from stove. This is the examples of indoor air pollutant. Outdoor air pollutant which are generated outside the building. This is called outdoor air pollutant. Example, automobile pollutant, industrial pollutant, mining pollutant, natural emission from decaying matter and animals, etc. Next topic, sources of air pollution. Sources of air pollution may be classified into two groups. One is natural sources, another one man-made sources. What are the natural sources? Atmospheric reaction, volcanic eruption, forest fire, dust storm or electric storm, salt spray from ocean, microorganism, radioactive substances. Radioactive substances, you take uranium or thorium or any other radioactive elements under the radioactive materials or substance. Second one, man-made sources, combustion of fuel, automobile exhaust, industries, thermal and nuclear power plant, agricultural activities, construction materials, system of sanitation, mining, nuclear explosion, aircraft, wastewater treatment plant. Major air pollutant sources and effect. This is one of the major air pollutant, oxide of nitrogen. So here 4 gaseous compound, oxide of nitrogen. One is a nitric acid, nitrogen dioxide, nitrous oxide, nitrogen pentoxide. In air pollution, nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide are of primarily concern. The sources of this pollutant from industrial process, then automobile exhaust. Hydrocarbons, organic compounds containing only carbon and hydrogen are classified as hydrocarbon. Two types of hydrocarbon, one is the aliphatic, another one is the aromatic. Aliphatic hydrocarbon example methane, aromatic hydrocarbon example benzene. Hydrocarbon present in the atmosphere from both natural and man-made sources. Major sources of hydrocarbon is burning of gasoline and industrial process, especially petroleum industry. So thanks for watching.